In this video, I will show you how can you fit words on a cell. You can see here if I click double tap in a cell, then you can see here there have a sentence, but if I click in another cell, you can see here it is not fit in that cell. So in this video I'll show three process how can you fit a row sentence on a in a column. You can see here we can drag the row to the right side, and it's can be fit. You can see here the serial number of employee has fit. If we double click between AC, then you can see here the name has fit, and if we click here double click between C and D, you can see that have fit, but it's actually fit horizontally. If we want to fit vertically, what we have to do, in this video I'll show the process, and I will also show you how can you fit or short the sentences. You can see here the sentence is big, and the word are in the in kind of big sentence. So if you want to fit in the same row, how can you do that? In this video I'll show the all of the process. I show you the first process, like you can double click between the row, then it will fit. Or if you want to fit all the cell in a one click, you can select all the row, and you have to come here between two word, any of two word. You can see here I come between A and B and C, and if I click here, that will be fit. You can see here that's have fit. So like this is the first process, and I'll show the second process. If you want to fit that by increasing or like wider, like in the horizontal way, you can see here it's fit by vertical way. I will show how can you fit it in a horizontal way. You can see here. So for fitting in horizontal way, you have to click in a cell which you want to fit in a horizontal way. You can see here I have double click, and you have to click alter plus enter. You can see you have to first click alter and enter. You can see here if you click here alter and enter, then you'll find the cell have fit by horizontally. You can see here if you go in the another cell, if you click alter enter, then you have to click here enter, then it's you can see fit vertically. So this is the process, and there have other process, like if you want to do that to the all cell in one click, then you have to select the 0, and then you have to go here home division, and then you have to click here. You can see here the option here have a option called wrap text. If you click here wrap text, then you can see here this fit by in all cell. It's not horizontal, it's vertically fit. So this is the other process for fitting text in a cell, and there have the third process which will make the sentence shorter, or in the like the text will be in like short. I'll show the process. You have to click here home division, and then you have to click here like arrow. It's this arrow alignment, and then from here you'll find here option called shrink to fit. If you tick here wrap text, you have to untick then shrink to fit, and then okay. If you click there, you can see here it's fit by horizontally, and the letter become in the short. So those are the process fitting something in an Excel sheet. So this is today's video. If you have any question related to the video, you can ask me in my comments. Thank you so much for watching the video till then.